Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. So finally this is started. What will the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will look like? Reliable insider answer. Samsung has just introduced its Galaxy S22 line and the network has new detail about the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to the news, the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will receive a waterfall screen curved on four sides. Samsung Display already has the ability to mass produce such displays. Samsung is reportedly already technically capable of mass production displays that are curved on all four sides. Presumably, such a screen made a debut in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This information was published by the well-known insider Ice Universe, who added the following: Galaxy S23 Ultra has a screen design with a double curve which makes it possible to create a frame of the same width on all four sides. But if a four-side curved screen is used, then this problem can be easily solved. I just found out that the Samsung display has the ability to mass produce four-side curved screen with equal width bezels. Recall that years ago Xiaomi introduced another complete smartphone. It was equipped with a waterfall screen which strongly bent on four sides. As a result, the novelty never came out, but the company showed that this technology already exists. The insider also said that, citing its own sources, that Samsung Display continues to actively develop technologies related to the development of flexible and foldable displays. According to him, the company already has the technical ability to mass produce screen modules with multiple bands. Representatives of Samsung have not yet been commented on the publication of the tech blogger. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.